screen now?
I've been watching this. I've been looking at this. I've been checking it out, and it's looking cool.
Yeah, this is the when you log in. Now this change, this image depends of your membership, and the features here also change. Depends of your membership. I will. This is already ready, the layout, but the features here is not yet ready. The percentage here is not working. The steps will be more steps because now we have. If you notice here on step 10, I will amplify this. On the step 10 says check the promotion toolbox. That's exactly what I was working now. So we will have more steps here. But if you follow all these steps, you can start step 1, you click step 1, you do this part because step 1 is complete the profile. Step 2, you upload, you need to upload the image that I will explain you this in a while. Wait a moment, now it's amplified. But this part is new, it's completely new here. The step 3, you need to complete your identification as webmaster. It's just put your email here. You just follow the instructions. This is quite simple. It's just your name as webmaster, your email. Step 4, then step 5, you need to first to add one link on the database. Of course, we will have videos. Don't worry about this. Step 6 and so on. So until you arrive step 10. Step 10, that's why I stop it. So this part here will be reformulated. And as you notice here, for instance, you add these shortcuts here. You can connect a website. Is very fast. You just follow the instructions. Here is all working. And you can edit your connections, you can edit your network connections, is here, on this case my network connections after you have this. And you can add recommendations, you can advertise a website and so on. Of course, I work this part, I need to improve the layout. So this has, as you know, on the right side, you have this part here, that this web deck. You can toggle these if you want dark or lighter.
Yeah.
And you can change the links, you can change the colors of the links. As you can see, this passed to orange, the links there. The message, you have here the message, but as you notice on the top right, you have now a button here when you have a message. This message is, if you click, you go to the message on top right. Is here on top right. So when you have a message, will appear the number of messages that you have there. Okay. These is little details. Okay. But
so, can I ask you a question, Nuno?
Go ahead.
Is it possible to put on the marquee? Can we type in what we want on the marquee?
But this marquee is just for you. This marquee is just for you, but you will have a marquee on the streams and parts. I didn't it on the splash page also, and then you can write, But yeah, I can make this editable that you can change the text here. So, but this text is different because notice this text will be different in relation to your membership.
Right.
If you are not international network, the image here is different and the text here is different. So each text is different.
Okay.
But here, I'm not. What you are seeing here is not definitive, because I just filled the blanks, you know. But this marquee will be good for us to announce special events.
I like it.
And then, so this, when you log in, you appear here. There is a lot of features. The instructions will be connected with websites of instructions. It's not yet functional, but you have already tips and tricks, some videos so here.
I saw the videos. Yeah, those are good.
Yeah. Now we'll have more. I didn't have time because we have a lot of videos already. And if you click tutorials, will appear all the way. But this will be better than this. technically will be, this is the video meetings, our video meetings.
Uh-huh.
You have all.
Yeah, so,
But this will be better. Will be like this. This will be like this. Will be when you click the instructions, will appear these, and these steps, and then you have step-by-step instructions.
uh-huh.
And then you will have all the options will be like this, and then you can see the streams, you can see examples, the tips, the instructions. For now, this is just what it is done.
Right.
But the instructions will be a website like this. It's already ready, the website. I just need to start. And here, when you click here, as you can see on the top, you have here all the instructions that are created.
I see that.
And then you can see videos. In this case, it's a video, and explains step by step. One, what you need to do. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
So the instructions will be is already prepared this website, and but is not yet updated. Okay. But will be the website is created. After I finish the system, I will create all these options here. For now, you on the tips and tricks, you can consult some videos, some tutorials, some new meetings and stuff like this. Okay. So this is the major entry. Then you have the message system will be better. The message system, to tell you true, will be like this. I can show you. We have already the layout. Is somewhere. It's somewhere here. Wait, profile. In widgets, layouts, pages, messenger. So the message system will be like a messenger will be. You are not seeing correctly because, yeah, it's more or less like this. So you have a message here, will appear message like a chat, and you can choose who you want to contact, and this is the layout. This is the layout. So I need to incorporate the. Instead of now is the layout is like this,
Right.
And you need to click.
I like that.
Yeah, is the standard. You can send a message, you can compose a text, you can contact here.
It's simple works good sometimes.
Yeah.
You know?
But it will be like a standard like this,
Right.
So it will be simple. One of these days I will change the layout.
Will we be able to add images to our messages?
I can work on it because, as you can see, this is a case that this is a plugin.
Right.
This is a plugin. I need to write the code of all plugins. So on this case, I will allow to send images eventually. I will check this. But we'll have emojis and stuff.
Yeah.
This stuff.
Yeah, the standard stuff. Yeah.
The standard, but this one has not emojis, as you can see.
Yeah, I understand. That's okay too, though.
Just text. But I will work on it.
Right.
Means the parts that I develop myself, I will change for better. Everything. So this will be changes, but it's working already. You can send message, you can receive message, you can compose. It's working.
Right.
Okay.
That's good.
And seems intuitive. Your account, you have your profile. The social timeline is something that I will create our own. I will show you in a while. So this social timeline, this will be substituted. This will be substituted by the new system. I will show you. And you can place here your Facebook and Twitter's stuff. It seems this is your wallet in case you guys have already quite some money on your wallet. This wallet is sweet for you to buy strategic advertising, okay, spots. Every week, because you are paid and you are founder, just because you are a founder, every month you receive an email with more deposit on your wallet. And then you can use it later You can use it here on strategic advertising. For now, it seems not important, but you guys have already $1,000 or more on your wallet for sure.
Yeah.
Because you paid for 1 year, so for sure you have quite some money on this. For now, it's not important, but later on, when we start having clients and users, you guys have a lot of money to advertise. Okay, you can even later on maybe you can transfer these. We will see, because here on working teams, this is the new part, the working teams. You guys, I think you guys are already here. As you can see, this is the top members. Is me and Marius that are using. If you are using the system, you receive points.
Right.
All the time. And then you guys are part of a team. The teams are these three. In my opinion, I consider if you start having referrals, you should have a team, because
No, it takes people.
but yeah, you need persons. But after it's not needed now. Now you are part of the teams of Marius.
Right.
My team is just me and my bots. My bots, that is myself. This is the manager, so the team cyber web team, which is on the top. Is on the top now. We have points, and but this is much different than plugin that supplied by default, because when you click here on the members, you have statistics of everything that each person do.
I see.
So the Flying Dutch and so on, and it's all logged in real time. This is all done. But
Nice.
I will explain you later. On the last video meeting that we had, I explained that the teams, working teams, will switch to create jobs, and everybody will earn money from the advertising. 50% of the advertising will be distributed by the team leaders, and the team leaders will distribute by the team members. Happens that we supply already data that is based on this data that the team leader will pay to the team members. Okay,
Right.
but the team leader knows more than us. So, and besides, they can contact the members directly. So the team leader can decide to pay whatever he wants. Okay. So we pay the system, the server. If you own a server, you pay to the team leaders. The team leaders pay to the affiliates. All commissions, everything. But the team leaders receive 5% from all commissions. Notice this, because the team leaders will not only earn money by a lot of things here that you can earn money, but they earn also 5% from all commissions of the team members. So the team members, imagine, receive 10, 20, or 30 percentage of commission. All these, I invite you to go here to network upgrade and network levels. And if you come here, I invite you to check this, because this is all rewritten. This is all means is each membership. For instance, you guys are international network, so you have all these that is here.
Right. This is where they should be invited to.
What?
This is where they should be invited to.
Yeah, is the for now we are charging just 15 per month, but will be 50. Okay.
Right.
But if you notice, you can add 1 million links. You have here a lot of stuff. You have even WebVR here. I added already. Where is privileged access to exclusive WebVR editor. You can add commercial videos and marketing videos. On WebVR, you can make advertising whatever. Okay?
Nice.
The links, no. The links you need, if you index on the hyperweb, you need to pay what is advertising. But WebVR, no. You can assemble as an international network, you can assemble 350 web VR, and you can create 10 mazes. 10 mazes. Okay?
Yeah.
I invite you guys to check this for you to understand what is each membership, what includes. Because the web VR is not all. This is, for instance, this is the international network. This is the commercial network.
Right.
Commercial network, watch out because they don't have access to a lot of things. It's just for business. This is a company. If a company wants to advertise here, they pay just $9 per month. They can add 150 links. They can add 150 links distributed, okay, by subcategories. They can assemble 50 web VR and create 3 mazes. This is a bargain. This is $9. This will be later 30.
Sounds like it. Yeah.
This is very, very cheap. So the big news here, and the 3D web VR, if some guys, because a lot of people, I will make advertising. I will tell, because I'm part of the networks of 3D and metaverse and so on. I will go there, and when I release the system, we will have a lot of guys interested just web VR,
Right.
So that's why I created a membership just for web VR. It's $9 per month now, and but you can assemble 500 web VR scenarios and 50 mazes. Just web VR. But you can use it for marketing, you can use it for... but you don't have access to the hyperweb like the other systems. So the international network is the most complete. That's why I invite you guys to check what is each membership. The government is for city halls, but this will require agreements. We work also with non-governmental organizations. And now the big news, the national network. If you want, for instance, to assemble a network just for United Kingdom or just for United States of America, this is the, you just pay $7 per year. It's almost for free. But the objective is we are interested on these networks because these networks is what will create websites for the countries. Okay? That's why it's just $7 per year. And we ask $7 just to have a PayPal number. If this network has some kind of problem, we will, if the police arrive here saying there is a guy here doing bullshit, we have the PayPal, of the client, and we give to the police. So they don't need to access our databases.
That's good.
So the PayPal is just for us to make sure that we are dealing with serious people. That's why we are charging just $7. A regional networks for a region or a state is just $5 per year. Just $5. You just pay $5. You can have 10,000 links on your region.
Right.
Okay? The local network, guess what? It's $0. Okay?
Free.
So we talked already, this is gratis, what we consider, but I will change this later on. So the local networks is how you invite everybody. You invite to create local networks or to create an individual network. You can invite anybody on Facebook and say, come here, man, you just create a network for you. It's how they test the system. They can add 500 links. And of course, it's limited. This account is limited. But they don't pay anything just to test the system. So these accounts, the individual network and the local network, is where we will get everybody to test the system. So you say, we invite you, say, man, you don't need to pay. You have here, for instance, the local network, you can add 1,500 links. Okay, so is where we will get people involved. They test the system, and of course this is limited. If they want web VR, they don't have web VR. Okay, If they want web VR or more stuff, they need to pay.
They have to upgrade, yeah.
But meanwhile, you get referrals. You get referrals, man.
Mm-hmm.
So these, I will make splash pages. That's what I will explain you soon. Next,
Right.
we will have splash pages just for you to
One
get.
splash right now, right?
Huh?
We have that one splash page.
Yeah,
right now.
we will have hundreds of splash pages. My system, this system allows you to create splash pages for you.
Nice, nice.
For any business, you can create splash page for on passive, whatever. I will show you.
Right.
But you because you pay, okay? So you see the
Right.
problem. These guys of local networks, if they don't pay, they don't have access to these tools. Okay, so I invite you guys to check all these, the individual networks, for you to know. Later on, we will have videos and splash pages just for affiliates. Is also affiliate. If they want to be affiliate, they don't pay. But if you notice, they are completely limited. And the links, they can only place links on the viral marketing categories. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what is available. Is all ready to go. This is the last text. Is all updated. So we are done all here. And next we will have the network solutions. I told you already. Here says that you can buy a server. You can buy a server and to have all this system on your server. And says here on the bottom that you needed to buy the script, but now you don't need. Now we include.
In 2009, we built a.
Now we include this script on any offer. Okay. So you don't need to pay. Is for costs $47. This script is already included on the server. Okay. But this will be rewritten, and later on I will tell you when this is ready. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
So next we have the promotion system. So we deal with all these. I explain all these parts very fast. Now we have the promotion system. The managed networks, I think you guys knows more or less, the WebVR, the web deck, and all this stuff. I have on other videos the test, the Your Scovos browser. I think the other videos are explanatory. I will need to finish here some stuff of these lines and the tips and tricks, and later on we will do another video about this. Okay? But for now, we will go here to the promotion. That is the part that I'm working. If you are on the promotion section, if you are an international network, you have the web deck here. This is only available to everybody that has international network.
Right.
This means, for instance, I will explain you this very simple. If you load here your Scovos, the part here, the promotion, the web deck, this web deck, what you add here, all the links that you add here, is will appear on these options here.
Right.
Okay? Only the international networks, only the pro members can add links directly on these options. Okay? The category, notice this, cannot be advertising, because advertising you need to pay. Okay? But you can add links, like you got a website, a nice website, and you can add directly on these options here. Okay? Or if you have a Facebook page, or we can be permissive. Notice this. There is an alarm. This system, if you promote, we will have police. The police will be basically housewives. And these are housewives, they pass the day using Scovos. If they get an advertising, they will have a sign there. They will use a special Scovos browser that has several red lights and green lights. And everything that is paid will appear a green light. So when they see a website that is commercial, if appears a red light, they will delete the website. And when they delete the website, the guy that added this on network will have a mark. And after, if a guy has 10 marks or 20 marks, we need to start limiting you on stuff. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
You understand? So these housewives means because the system you can arrive here. Notice you can go here to the links, and you can add a link, and you can place here advertising, right? How the hell I know or the system knows that is an advertising? It's very difficult. Later on, we will have artificial intelligence that will. And notice, I even study, and we will implement very soon or when possible. By the names, if you add something that has a PayPal button, the system will not authorize you because you need to pay. So, what's the point of adding here websites if the system recognizes if you have a PayPal button on a page? You cannot. You need to pay advertising. Okay? But a part of this, a part of this, you have the web deck here, all these options here on the web deck. You can add links and pages, social Twitter's accounts, Facebook pages, whatever you can add on these options here. And if you notice when you go to the web deck, if you click on here, the options that appear, wait a moment, because this is, I need to fix this. If you notice, you need to add a category, you need a native, and here is asking you where you want to display this link. If it is on shortcuts, on directions, or social paths. As you can see, this is shortcuts, it says on the top. This is directions, and this is the paths. Okay? So you can add on the web deck, you can add directly a link, a website here. You select the category, praise computers, and you need to select in what options you want this to appear. And next, if you click next, we'll ask you more questions. Okay, you just follow the questions here. So, if you are an international network, you have these web deck options here. It's just for the VIP members. And these will allow you are not understanding now, but this is very important because you can add quite a lot of links here and will be part of your network. And your network can be different because of this. Because if you have here good websites, everybody wants to use your access point. Because you have your own access points, okay? You have your own scovos. You will be able of personalizing the scovos as you want. You can you have even the links here, as you know here on Manage. You have already these parts. Wait a moment. Test network. Manage nearby is not here. Web VR. Personalize. All these options here. Sorry. There is a better way. Is you click here, appears here. It's the Scovos personalization. You can personalize. It's not yet ready. This. You can personalize the layout. You can personalize with custom message. The message, for instance, this message here is the message that appears here. You can change. Yeah, you can. I'm smoking.
Moshi. Alright. Okay. Right. They're open at 11. Okay. Okay. Okay, take your time. Okay? Are you okay? Better? Okay. Well, I'm in the middle of the meeting, so you call me when you need me, okay? Okay, you be careful and pay attention to people in cars, okay? please. Okay, bye-bye. Go on the site, sorry.
No problem, no problem. So this section will allow you to personalize all these browser. You can personalize the images, you can personalize parts of the options with your own links, with messages here. This message that appears, you can change it. You can have extra options, news feeds. If you want to allow news or not, you can define all these options here. And next, you will have your own web deck. And your web deck will appear on the promotions here on the splash pages. So this is the promotion section, the promotion toolbox.
Saw that, yeah.
So you have here the links, and when you click here, this is what is available. You can either click the link. If you click the link, appears the splash page. This is already with your affiliate ID, so you can just use it. And if you notice, when I click here on navigate, the clients, when the users click here, will load your Scovus. As you can see on the top right is your affiliate ID here.
I see.
Okay? This means it's completely automated, means you set up and program your Scovus web deck as you want, with your links and your network. And the splash pages will automatically use your access point to display your web deck to all your visitors. Okay? Fully automated. And next, here you just need to know a couple of tricks. I don't know if you prefer to see dark or white.
I like it dark.
Yeah, I like it also dark. But I will select here orange on the links for you to see better.
Okay,
Orange or white? Yeah,
I see.
I see yellow. Okay.
I see.
Orange. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So you have here several options. These little icons here, I will amplify these. You have here the two small icons. If you click on one of them, sorry, because this is loading that window. If you click one, you see the splash page here. Okay. This is your splash page already with your affiliate ID.
Okay, I see.
And if you click on the right side, we'll load the splash page on a full screen.
I see.
So you have these two links. You just for a question of simplicity, you arrive here and you check one by one splash page what you like. If this is for affiliates, and notice read this text. The text below say what is the kind of splash page. If it is for affiliates, if it is for business, if it is for normal users. So it's all here written.
Okay.
You just need to select what you want. But these are the, notice, we are here on the tab of standard. Okay? This is the standard. Now you have the Pro. If you click on Pro, this is only available to Pro members. Pro members will be authorized, is not yet done, will be authorized on reselling a lot of products of OR2, like the paints and stuff.
Like that, I like that.
Okay. It's just available to the Pro members. You can resell the Septic, the game, the streams, a lot of stuff, the tools. So these splash pages of Pro is just for Pro members. Notice that when it says not ready yet, you should not use. Okay.
It'll happen when it happens.
But the others, it seems operational. You can see examples and so on. But notice, I will. For now, I just fill it blanks. Means later on, I will come here and do one by one everything perfect. Okay, it's not yet. It's not yet. But we have already some stuff. Okay.
You've done a lot.
On the right side, if you notice, you have a standard and you have Pro, and on the right side we'll have a lot of options here that is not yet available. We will have a marketing kit, posts already ready for you to post on Facebook. We have books already for you, GIFs, we will have our own, tutorials, videos, images, all these will be available later, and you can download all these to your computer and you can use it for marketing. So these are the standard. Then you have the Pro. The Pro is the same. And then you have the personalized, because you are not understanding. For now, it's not, was supposed to be working already, but okay. And the social, yeah, social. The personalized, you can personalize splash pages. I will explain you in a while. The splash pages will appear here exactly like the Pro. Exactly like the Pro. When you click personalize, it will appear all your personalized splash pages here. And the social, the same. We have the social splash pages that I told you already. It allows you to create social posts in a splash page. And then you can use the splash page, you can post anywhere. We will use we will use this domain for this. The Hyperweb Rocks. This domain, Hyperweb Rocks, you are not seeing here, but this is already prepared. For instance, I cannot show you. Wait a moment. Hyperweb Rocks. Yeah, this is the read. It's already prepared. You can use the affiliate link, or I don't remember the directory that I saved this, but it's already prepared. I can tell you because this page is already prepared. So all domains, all these social splash pages, all these splash pages will be from this domain, hyperweb.rocks, hyperweb rocks. Okay, but it's not yet done. So all social splash pages will appear here, and the personalizer will appear on personalizer, and the extra also will appear here. It's not yet done because I will show you how you can personalize splash page. You click here on this button, personalize, and when you click on this button, you come to other section. That is the same section that you can access here on marketing, personalization, and assets. This section, if you click here, marketing, personalization, and assets, or clicking on this yellow button here. And then here, this is your virtual dock warehouse. Imagine this. This is a HubPort. Works like a port. Okay? You have, as a business, as a paid member, you have a warehouse on the dock.
Right.
So it's very simple to understand. And this warehouse, so as long as you pay your membership, you are renting a warehouse on the dock. And this warehouse, now you have your assets that will be on your warehouse. So it's all these options here. You can add your images, videos, links, 3D assets, offers, all here. So you can go here to promotion on marketing personalization, and here everything that you do here belongs to you. Everything that you do on this section is your warehouse,
Nice.
your virtual dock warehouse. So we can start on the texts. These are the texts. Why I did this?
Hey, no, sorry.
Fields. You can change your picture. Then you can go here. It's not yet accepting GIFs, the picture, but maybe later I will do it. Let's see, picture OR2. And if I want to change a picture, I just click on browse, upload the picture, and as you can see the picture, you change your picture. And this picture is the picture that will appear later on the teams, here on the teams, when you are on the team. As you can see, it's already changed the picture here.
Yeah.
So you can change your picture that will be recognized by you everywhere. Okay, on this case, I like the war to CISOP. Where is somewhere here? War to CISOP. So I just change here on browse, upload, and when I click upload. And you can change your name here. This is name that will be recognized. And you can present a short biography of yourself here. You click update, and if you click update, these updates. It's all working. Here on the custom message, so notice again, the doc warehouse, everything that you place here is about your business, is about you. Okay? You have the title, the marketing titles, and why I did this. For instance, if you have on passive, you arrive here and you place get on passive right away, and you arrive here. This is a major opportunity for you to get your retirement instead of waiting the government to pay you what they don't have, what they don't have. So you can type whatever you want. The conclusion: this is it. This is it. Your testimonial: I am a on passive founder, and you type here your opinion or whatever. And then you can have an extra recommendation and the promo tags, say marketing, AI, business, everything separated by commas, business, etc. And then you click update, and when you click update, as you know, this is your text automatically, what you want to, your marketing message. Now, I use it on passive, but you can do whatever you want with this.
Right.
And notice this, why I did this. Because when you are creating web VR environments, you will create hundreds of web VR environments. And next, you needed to write this on all web VR environments, right? If you wanted to promote something. And on this case, you just need to edit here one time. And when you are editing the web VR, you just need to select these options and these will appear already. And the same happens with the images. When I click images, here you can upload images. You just click here and you upload any image. You can upload any image here. You can upload GIFs, and if you click on the image, you can see the image. If you click on the GIFs, and you just wait a bit and is showing the GIF.
Boy, the clarity is really, really good.
Yeah, you can notice. I prepared these for you guys to get very well organized. On this case, I place it OR to Europe, the logos, is the images that I use on my marketing. And these images is what will, how you can build your splash pages. You just put all your images here on your doc warehouse, and later on, when you are building a splash page or a web VR environment, you can choose your images from there. You don't need to upload all the time.
Nice.
And as you can see, this is social pages, so I posted here. I will make you an example. You just browse here, you select the image. Let's see here, images. I go to several, and let's see a nice one. These I used already. I look, for instance, this one. I like this one. And then at the description, I place it, say goddess. Goddess. And the category, notice here, when you click, if you click on the bottom, will appear all categories that you created already. So I could place these on several. But on this case, I will create a new category. I will call it new category. or for instance, nice images. And then I click upload, and notice you should read what is on the top here, the alarms, because if there is something wrong, we'll tell you here on the top, okay? And if you go down, there is here, I created a category called nice images, and here we are, the image here, okay? And later on you can use it this. If you want to edit, I can edit. I can click here the green button, and I can change to, instead of goddess, say it's not a goddess, and instead of placing on this category, I will select several, and if you start typing, appears what you typed before, okay? And now when I click update, you go to the several categories, and the picture is here already on the new category. Is on the several, and the name is changed to not a goddess. Okay? So this is very simple to use. I think you guys just place the categories. On the case of Greg, he has a lot of gigs. You can I placed gigs here, gigs. Or GIFs, you can call it whatever.
Whatever you want to call it, I don't.
This is your warehouse. So your warehouse, you are master. You can define the category. You can define whatever. You get organized yourself. So you just click on browse. I have here some gigs. I call it gigs, but okay. Posters. I have gigs of Scovos. Let's see. I know this one I used it already. Septic. I have a gig, the TV man. The TV man I placed it already, but I like this one. Watch out the size. For instance, this is 12 megabytes. Is not allowed. I will show you. Because it's limited. I needed to limit because 10 megabytes is very big. So I call it here a septic special. The category I will place it on gigs, because it's already there, so I just type G and appears GIFs or gigs, okay? And I click upload. But now it's taking more time, but say, sorry, your file is too large. Must be 5 megabytes. 5 megabytes is, okay. Your GIFs, how much long is your GIFs?
Mine are big. I don't know.
How much megabytes?
I don't. It's hard. They vary.
But big is a problem because it takes a lot of time to load.
Right.
So you need to make shorter.
Well, it's hard to do, but we'll see what we can come up with.
It's
in
not
the
hard to
future.
do. I can increase this just for you. I can.
I've been very. I know that using up space is important. So I've been very good about not loading up GIFs if I can do it, and so I will be very selective about what I do. It's so I'm not using space.
Yeah.
So much.
But anyway, if you have
In
any
the future,
trouble,
when we become big and have lots of money, we can load what we want.
I needed, as you understand, I needed to control this because 10 megabytes. If you upload 10 GIFs, and I allow you to make splash pages and WebVR, so you can upload thousands. But 10 GIFs, 10 megabytes is 100 megabytes. That takes a lot of space.
I understand.
So anyway, I have here other GIF. Imagine, let's see. I have here the book. These I saved web presentation, but these you just pop up over. For instance, this is 12 megabytes. You can see this is 3 megabytes. This one, let's see this one here, 18 megabytes, 4 megabytes, and we have here 12 megabytes, 7, 6, 14. But I will show you later. You can access all these GIFs because we supply already these GIFs. But for instance, this is just 3 megabytes. So I will upload. No, This one has nothing. But for instance, 11. These are big ones. 13, 4 megabytes. So we have here 4 megabytes. Septic book. And then I will place on gigs, upload. Notice here you need to wait because these will convert and optimize frame by frame your GIF to just occupy 1 megabyte, because even 5 megabytes is a lot, because hundreds is gigabytes, and that costs
Right.
money. So this
Yeah.
file, Septic, was uploaded with success. Okay, nice. And then on gigs here is already, the gig is here. Okay.
Oh, crap.
So just like that. But I can increase these later on. So Greg, you keep me posted. You keep me posted. I can increase the megabytes if there is any problem. But I will increase just for you because 5 megabytes for a gig is reasonable.
Yeah. I understand.
The GIFs usually are short. You know, like this one. This is even so. This one is 5 megabytes.
What was the one I made this morning, and I put it on Signal? How big was that? I was trying to
No,
find
that one is not big for sure because that is just a loop, very short, 1-2 seconds loop.
Right. So that's kind of why I put that up there, because it didn't have a lot of movement action in it,
Ah.
and so it is a lot smaller data and takes up a lot less space.
But anyway, you keep me posted. This is already working. You guys just charge here your images of on passive, whatever you want to promote. You add your images here. Suffice to say that you should have copyrights of the images to not have problems. Okay, so this is working. And now the videos. On videos, you click on videos. It's the same. We have already videos here. You can see the videos. For instance, if you click on any video, will appear the video.
Right.
On this case is the septic, is the concept video. So it's same principle. You just go to YouTube or Vimeo. I prefer Vimeo. And for instance, this one is good.
Hello guys, welcome back to
Notice this. Notice this. You just need to copy the ID of the video. It's just this ID here on the top. You copy.
Can you blow that up a little bit so I can see better?
I will show you here. It's just the code here. It's just this code.
Okay.
It's not the video, because here you can choose video, Vimeo or YouTube.
Okay.
So when you choose YouTube, I know already that this code is from YouTube.
I see.
Because there is a lot of YouTube links. There is UT, there is YouTube B, YouTube. There is a lot of links of YouTube.
Okay, so after the code, it's after the equal mark.
It's just
correct?
exactly. It's after the equal mark. I cannot show
Okay.
you larger than this because that part of the screen is not amplified.
That's all I needed to know. Okay.
So you just need to copy after the equal.
Okay.
Just copy that link. You add it here.
Right.
Then you choose YouTube or Vimeo. In this case, is YouTube.
I see.
I will post this. I have. This is Unreal stuff. And the category I have already. As you can see, double click here. You can choose already the categories that we have. On this case, YouTube videos. And I save the link. Takes very fast. And if you notice here on the YouTube videos is already the video here. Unreal stuff. And then if you click here, you see the
Hello
video.
guys, welcome back to another video. Epic Games
Okay.
have a new experimental
Nice.
feature for nanite.
So this is very simple to do. Vimeo is the same. You go vimeo.com and for instance I have here a showcase. You just select the video. Can be this, and on this video is this number here. because it's the number of the video, okay? And I know this because if I remove this and place just the number, this is the video. This is
I see.
so it's just the number there. You copy. Next, you return here. Place here the number, just the number. Vimeo is Vimeo. On this case is septic stuff. And here I delete YouTube and I choose here for sure septic the web. And then when I save, if you notice on septic the web is here septic stuff. Is here the video. Okay?
Right. Nice.
Very simple to do. You just confirm. You just need to confirm every time you add a link. You just click the video to see. If you see the video here, is because it's okay. Okay. If he is not showing the video, is because there is an error.
Okay.
Next, you have this X button here. Is if you want to delete the video, you just delete the video. And now, as you can see, it's no longer there. And this, we delete also this one. So this is very simple to operate. Okay?
Yes. Yes, I agree.
So you just add your links here. You can add. This will be important for the web VR because you create a scenario. And next, you need to have the videos on the screen. So this will appear all your videos for you to select automatically. You just need to take some time to add all your images here. You add all your videos here, and notice it's much easier because otherwise when you create a web scenario you need to upload and link the video all the time. Okay, so this will create a database for you. The same works with links. The links is the same. You have a promotional link, a promotional text, you have other promotional link, promotional text, and as you can see on the web VR, when you are editing, I will show you. For instance, if you are editing, this is the editor of the web VR. Okay. When you go here to the, it's not yet done, but when you are changing the video, this video that is here.
Right.
So in this case is this video. But if you want to change video, you click here visuals and video, and these will appear here all your videos here.
Okay.
So that you can select automatically the video that you want.
Okay.
And if you notice on the top right, there is this green button. And this green button, I cannot amplify here because this screen is very big. This green button has three options here. These three options is what you can select here. Where is on promotion, external links. These links here is the same links that are here. So, because otherwise, when you are created web VR, you need to type the link, the promo, you need to type the link again. Every scenario, in all scenarios, you needed to type all the links again. On this case, that's why it's here, so that you later on, you can select what you want to promote here. And these links is what will appear here.
I see.
For instance, I think this is operational. Let's, I will change the promo, say, I will update. And if you notice here on top right is, okay? So you can change all these. But anyway, you can change anyway, you can change. All these options you can change. The question of working with your warehouse is that you just need to type it here one time. And next, when you are creating scenarios or splash pages, you just select what you have already on your warehouse. Okay? That's why I created here. The same with 3D assets, because this is the same as going here to the web VR and adding web VR. But I will explain this later. You can just create, you can, if you follow what is written here, you can go to the AI Skybox, and if you go to AI Skybox, now you need to pay, and you can create here all scenarios that you want, and you can download, and then you can just drag and drop and place the scenarios here. Okay?
Right. Okay.
But now he's paid because this Skybox was for free, but now he's not.
Yeah. Now they give you crappy ones.
And to end, you have the offers. The offers is if you have a PDF book or if you have a link to offer to your clients, you just type here the link of the PDF book or wherever. You can even go free ebooks. Free ebooks link. But notice, this is extra options. You can go here to the open library, many books or whatever, and you can grab links. If you don't have any offer, you just go to free offers, and for instance, these the Game of Thrones or something. Preview, read, Tom Brooks. After all, this is borrow. You can borrow. So this is the book of Game of Thrones. You just copy the link here, or any offer that you have, and you pass the link here. And I will not do this because to not change what is here. And you can say, this is an offer for you. Okay. Later on, when you are creating the web VR scenarios, you can place offers on the scenario. And then when the persons are traveling on your web VR, they can get these prizes. But don't worry, because we will offer quite a lot. If you are a paid member, we will offer you a lot of offers. But here, this section offers allows you to add your own offers. And you can also make a link to a sign up, a free sign up. If you have a free sign up, a new opportunity, like Andy. Imagine Andy offer. You just copy the link of your offer, and you can place it here automatically, and you just type your reward. Get this book, or get this, or get that. Okay? But we will offer you offers. This is the part of your doc warehouse allows you to add your own offers, your own 3D assets, your own links, your own videos, your own images, your own texts. Okay?
Nice.
Later on, this will be very precious when you are editing splash pages or web VR. Okay? Let's continue. And meanwhile, now you have here on promotion section, you have the templates and examples. Templates and examples and offers is everything that we offer, OR2. And if you are a pro member, you will receive quite a lot of stuff here. First, you can use all our GIFs. These are our GIFs. You can use our images from DressIT. You can use, notice, these are just 1%. I will charge here all our stuff here. You have our logos, our septics, and these you can access these when you are creating splash pages. You can access all these.
Nice, nice.
Videos also, you have all our videos, the concept videos,
That's good.
the tutorial videos, the marketing videos. You know, we have quite a lot of stuff. So all this stuff here, the videos of this video is cool. While I smoke a cigar.
Hey, Mario.
Oh, look, Mario!
Sounded so much like him. I was
So-
funny stories.
So all our videos, our stuff will septic, all videos of septic will appear here. Okay? The metaverse, the videos, these are, you can use all these. And notice, you can use our videos and to link to your offers and link to your stuff. Okay? So we will add here quite a lot of stuff. On links also, you will
moving.
say.
Important is we are moving, and the fantastic thing which was programmed with the where we are creation and upscaling.
But look now, that is exactly what we are speaking now, Marius. If you click here, this is the links, the videos, the images, you just go to promotions on templates and examples, and if you click 3D assets, you have already all 3D assets, the scenarios that we are doing, me and Marius. And on the bottom, you can click here to open the gallery. On the bottom, you have this button on the bottom. And
Trust me, huh?
and notice this stuff now. This is the big news today. So you go to 3D assets, you have here the categories, it's not yet working, but you can click the images, you can amplify the image, you can sweep the image, you can travel to the right, to the left, wherever. And on the bottom you have the Open Web VR Gallery. When you click the Open Web VR Gallery, opens a bigger plan that you can click each image, and now you are seeing with quality. This is created by me and Marius.
That is nice.
No, wait a moment, you are not understanding. You can use these as your templates. These are your templates. You can use any of these images. There, me and Marius, how much we have now, Marius?
We had yesterday 404.
That's not true, Marius. That's not true, Marius. That's not true, because you have here on templates, let's see, on templates,
Not on template. On
final templates, we have here 402.
That's pretty close, I think.
Wait a moment, but that is what Marius knows. Because what we bought already, we bought all these, that is top quality, we bought more 485, so we have almost 1,000 now, today. And you have here the Aliens Escapes, so you have here top quality. This is done by us, this is the others that we bought during months. Me and Marius, we are buying all these.
I'm going to have some fun.
You are not understanding. So, and we have all in place. We have